Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher upper dish rack roller assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack roller assembly. The upper dish rack roller assembly is what the upper dish rack rides in and out on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper rack's not rolling in and out properly. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have to take the upper rack out. So we're going to pull out on it and pull it on the rails so we can take the end caps off. There's an end cap on each side. They both come off the same way. Just press on the locking tab right there and then press it towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the rail. Before we take the dish rack out, we're going to put a towel down on the countertop so we don't scratch it. Then we can grab the rack and pull it out. Once you have it out, we're going to flip it over and set it on the towel. Once you have the rack turned over, you can see that there's 4 upper dish rack roller assemblies. They're all changed out the same way. The roller assembly is held on by these 2 clips, which break off pretty easy. So we're going to take the small flathead screwdriver and press right here on the center to get these 2 to release while we pull up on the assembly. Once you have it unlocked, you can just turn it and then turn it again and pull it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old upper dish rack roller assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go on and work just fine. To put the new one on, we're just going to feed it into the slot where it goes and then turn it and then lift it up and then lift up on it and snap the lower piece on. Once you have it on, we can put it back in the dishwasher. We're just going to lift it up and turn it over and get rid of the towel at the same time. And we're going to line up the rollers with the rails and make sure they go in on each side. Once you have it in, we can put the end caps back on. To put the end caps on, you just want to line up the tabs with the slots right there and then press on the locking tab while you press it in to lock it on. Once you have them on, we can push the upper dish rack back in, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.